everybody, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our new collection release. We have a lot of things for me to show you, so I'm going to get started. Our new collection is called Drive and Fly. It's a fun collection kind of around the trains, planes and automobile theme. It's good for men, it's good for travel, and I think you're going to like it. So let's take a close look at the papers. Okay, so this is our first paper. It's called Plane. It's got that cute little vintage plane on it. And this is the B-side, great for a background. This one is Train. This is one for all the Australian National Railway fans. We've got an Australian train on there. Very cool. And this is the B-side. Again, great background. This one is called Automobile, and it's got the old Torana on there. And on the back we've got written Holden. This is the one called Race Day. It's got like little checker flags at the top. It's a good background one. And you've got the full grungy check on the background. This one is called Air Show, and there's a whole bunch of different icons for planes, trains and automobiles, of course, all the different kinds. Some wood grain on the back. This one's called Championship. I know a few of you guys would have some dads and brothers and uncles and stuff who remember the old Street Machine magazines. It's got like a brick wall with a bit of grunge on it on the back. This one is called Speed, and it's got all of the different bits you can fussy cut out. So we've got a GT on there, Charger, Valiant, Harley, some planes, some trains, all sorts of fun things on that one. You can cut those elements out. And Ford on the back. And this one is called Engine. More of those cool elements that you can fussy cut if you want. They're also on the creative cuts. Some numbers and some just bits you can layer up. And a nice little grungy number on the back. So that's the papers. We also have the mini collection pack, which has got your 32 single size, great for card making. And we have 2 dies. So this is the first one. It's a little Mustang. The little door opens and everything. It's got the numbers 2, 1, 6 and 8 on it. So you can put the little number on the door and make it a race car if you want. Great for 21st, 16th, 18th, that sort of thing. This is our stitched banner. I think it's banner. Yeah, stitched banner die, which is like a stitching pennant, which is great for making cards as well. We have 3 stamps. This one here is called Dominoes. This one here is Surreal Numbers, and this one is Longhand, and this one is included in the kit. So the three stamps, some checkered washi tape. We have got some fun little embellishments for all the men. Well, some women will love these too, but they're great. This one is our tiny tools, a little mixture of tools. And we have all of our cogs. These ones we've manufactured especially for us. We've chosen all the designs and all the colours, and we've done all this from scratch. So these bags are great value. They've got heaps of different ones in there. This is the mixed cogs, which has got a mix of the brass, the rose gold, the gold and the silver. And this one is included in the kit. And then we have the full bag of silver, full bag of rose gold, full bag of gold and a full bag of brass that you can purchase as well. So these are also available from the retail stores. We've got our new little mark making stamp, and this one is checker plate. And a new laser cut. This one is just wooden cogs, which is fantastic. The creative cuts, all the different bits and bobs that go with the collection. And one more thing we have got now is 12 by 12 cork sheets. So we've always done our 12 by 12 burlap and our 12 by 12 corrugated, and we've just added the cork, which is just beautiful sheets of cork, to that collection. And we have got 2 cut apart sheets this month, which work with all our essential dies. This one's great. You've got all the numbers on there you can use for cards like 18, 21, 30, 40, 50, 60, 16, 18. Great one to add for card makers. And this is the one which is included in the card making kit. Lots of great sayings on there for dads and grandpas and brothers and all those things. So that is the add-ons. Let me quickly show you a couple of the projects that the girls have done. I don't have many. We're currently in lockdown when I'm filming this, and it's just impossible to have everything ready to show you guys, but how great is that layout? Really fun layouts the girls have made this month. Little boys too, not just the older guys, and we know this is going to work for the older guys, but definitely works for the younger ones as well. I love this one here. It's got the inside of the car and the Torana there. Very cool. And what a great family shot. Love it. Okay, so the cards. Lots of really cool cards the girls have made too. Mail cards are always very popular. Everyone wants to make mail cards because they're hard. Got the GT on there. It's a happy birthday one. One with the trains. I love this is made with the leftover punch out bit from the laser cut. There's that Mustang die. Looks really good on cards. And this one has got, oh, we've got an embossing folder too. I didn't show you the new embossing folder. I'll show you that when I show you what's in the kit. Let's get onto that right now. So if you're planning on getting the kit, which will be available from the 5th, let me show you what's in it. We've got the checker plate stencil, the mixed cogs, the little checker washi tape, the tiny tools, the acrylic stamp longhand. This is the embossing folder. It's called Hyper. It's really cool. It looks great on backgrounds for cards. This is glassine paper. It is what they used to wrap your tools in when you used to go to the hardware store to keep them from rusting. It's like a wax paper. And if you screw it up or emboss it or tear it, it just makes a really nice just textural layer in your scrapbooking and card making. We've got the laser cut, the creative cuts, the magazine, which of course has got all of your ideas in it. So many different layout ideas. Motorbikes, cars, great. The cut apart sheet. There's no watercolour one this month because we have so many other things. A sheet of the cork, a sheet of the burlap, a sheet of the corrugated, a sheet of craft cardstock, a sheet of watercolour cardstock, and finally we have got the 12 by 12 collection pack, so jam-packed full. Our kits are great value. You can say a lot of things about our kits, but great value is probably the #1 thing that people say about our kits. So this kit will be available on the 5th. All the products are now available on the 1st. Support your local store if you can. Australia is going through a lot at the moment with 3 states in lockdown as I film this, and just to really get in there and support those small businesses if you can, including us. So thank you so much for all you do. Till next time. Bye.